Hi, I have a Lamona lam8301 dishwasher which I can't get to start. When I turn it on the 3rd, 50 degrees Celsius, light flashes until I press the start button, at which point it remains lit. However, the red light within the start button does not come on and the cleaning cycle does not start when closing the door. Pressing the program has no effect. If I turn on the dishwasher with both buttons held down, all the lights briefly flash then go out. I can then start what I believe is a test cycle which seems to complete. However, if I power cycle the dishwasher, the problem remains. I don't know if relevant, but I had a blockage in the wastewater pipe recently, but this is now resolved.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
It's a lamona 8301 and I think I've run a diagnostic test cycle.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I don't think so.
Hi, are you able to reset it by holding the start button in for several seconds? As when you do this, all the lights on the top should light up. Then you should be able to press the P button and select a new cycle. Does any of that work? If not and it's still the same, then it's more than likely the program control board, which is the part you press to select the cycle. In this case, that control board will need to be replaced to cure this, I'm afraid. Regards.
Hi Dino, yeah, the program won't reset by holding the start button, first thing I tried. Sounds like I need to replace the control board. Would you be able to provide the part number or a link to somewhere I can buy online? Do you know if there is a service manual available? I don't seem to be able to find one from Googling around. Regards, Ben.
The part number for it is ##/ PS to the service manual. I've just uploaded it for you, so click the link below and you can access it from there.
Hi Dino, just replaced the program control board and the machine is now working. Thanks for the help, Ben.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.